Bugged by bugs? Let's talk about TerraShield Essential Oil Repellent Blend. This blend of essential oils will repel bugs naturally so you can enjoy your outdoor activities. I'm Rainey Ray, an essential oil educator and enthusiast. If you're looking for natural solutions for your needs, you've come to the right place. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss an update. At the end of this video, you'll have a chance to access several of my guides, including my Aging Backward Naturally guide. I'm taking matters into my own hands now. Let's face it, we only got this life to live out. So follow me, I'm ready to go. I've tried a number of natural insect repellents and they just don't work. TerraShield Repellent Blend really works. I live in Southwest Florida and there are more insects than I ever imagined. As a search and rescue canine handler, I'm out in the woods a lot for training and on deployments. And that's where the bugs are. Most people on my search team use chemical insect repellents and they continue to be bugged and bitten by insects. I use TerraShield Essential Oil Blend on me and my canine Larry, and I love the results. I always offer it to my teammates, and when they opt to try it, they're impressed with the results. No matter the activity, with TerraShield, you can say goodbye to mosquitoes, flies, no-see-ums, gnats, and other insects, and enjoy your outdoor activity without subjecting yourself, your family, or pets and animals to toxic chemicals. Here's the scoop. TerraShield is an effective, all-natural blend that combines citronella, lemongrass, lime, cedarwood, geranium, and peppermint, essential oils in a sesame seed oil base that can be used as a natural mosquito repellent when applied to the skin. It's pre-diluted and safe for all ages of humans and most species of pets and animals. TerraShield is your go-to outdoor companion, and it comes in a 15 ml bottle and a 30 milliliter spray. Both have the same diluted blend. So how do you use TerraShield? I like to put a few drops in my hand or a couple sprays and rub my hands together and pat around on exposed skin and even clothing. No need to spray yourself continuously from head to toe like the toxic chemical repellents. TerraShield is very effective. For canine Larry, I follow the same process and simply pet it on him, including the top of his head, muzzle, neck, back, ear flaps, legs, underbelly, and around the base of his tail and down his tail. All the areas that insects like to land, bite, and sting. Just avoid getting it in the eyes and inside the ears. For horses and other large animals, you can make a spray with TerraShield, so they're not bugged either. Reach out if you want the recipe. Living in Southwest Florida, ticks and fleas are everywhere. So for extra protection, I add some additional geranium essential oil. You may not need to, but here in Southwest Florida, we have a huge tick population, and geranium is amazing to deter ticks. It's that simple. No need for toxic chemical insect repellents. TerraShield will keep away the pesky insects and provide skin-soothing benefits. I am so grateful that you're here. If you can relate to what I'm saying in this video, give it a thumbs up. If you found value in the information, go ahead and check out my other videos. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications, or whatever it is. If you're already a subscriber, then welcome to our community and let me know what you would like to see in future videos. Together, we and our pets and animals can age backwards and live younger longer. Take good care.